Hi friends, I'm Sarita. Please subscribe Sarita Activities in YouTube and click bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Hi friends, today we are going to make whipped cream. Let's see how to prepare this whipped cream. Vivo Royal cream, that is non-dairy whipping cream. We need 1 cup of whipping cream. Take one bowl and mixer, keep it in freezer for half an hour, then we will use it. Take a bowl, add ice cubes in it. Ice cubes. Keep the chilled bowl on top of it. Fix this chilled whisker to this machine. Now add 1 cup of whipping cream into this. Now we have to whisk this whipping cream for 1 minute in medium speed. Now we can add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I have added 2 teaspoons of sugar into this. Now whisk it till that stiff peak. Again we have to whisk because the peak should stand like this. Look at this, a stiff peak formed. This is a perfect consistency. Our whipped cream is ready now. Look at this, we made whipped cream within 3 minutes. Look at this, stiff peak formed. If you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends and families. Keep watching all my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.